Hello, my name is Juri Zaposek and I'm the product manager of our LUCON light controller here at GEFASOFT in Regensburg. In this video, we would like to show you how easy it is to operate our LUCON light controller. Our new LUCON has two possible interfaces for communication and parameterization: a network interface and RS-232. Both interfaces support command-based communication. When using the network interface, a web interface is also available. It is important for the network interface that the IP addresses and subnet masks on a computer are set correctly. No matter which interface is used, it is always possible to set all parameters. An overview and explanation of all commands can also be found in the manual. After entering the IP address in a web browser, the configuration page of the LUCON light controller opens. Among other things, the network parameters of the LUCON can be adjusted here. In addition, the firmware can be updated if necessary. The parameters for the connected lighting can be set separate for each channel. The current limit and the voltage limit are the most important parameters. If all parameters are set, the configuration can also be tested directly. The slider can be moved within the range of the set current limit. If you want to learn more about our LUCON light controller, follow the links below and feel free to have a look at our other videos. Bye, see you next time.